In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a line in Photoshop 2025, and trust me, it's quick and easy. Whether you're a beginner trying to get a handle on the basics or a seasoned pro just needing a refresher, this tutorial is for you. We'll walk through each step so that by the end, you'll have a good grasp on how to efficiently use this tool within Adobe Photoshop. Now, let's kick things off. First, you want to make sure you have Adobe Photoshop open on your computer. If you haven't opened it yet, take a moment to launch the application. Once that's taken care of, you'll find yourself on the home screen where you can create a new project. Click on Create New, and this brings up the new document window. This is where you can decide the size and resolution of your canvas. It's crucial to set the right dimensions for your project, so consider what you'll be using this space for, whether it's for web or print. Once you've set your parameters, click Create to open up your blank canvas. Next, let's navigate to the Tool panel on the left-hand side of your workspace. Here you'll find the Line tool nestled under the Shape tools. If it's not immediately visible, it might be hidden under another shape tool such as the rectangle tool. Just click and hold to reveal additional options and select the line tool from the drop-down menu. This tool is integral to drawing straight lines, and with its intuitive use, you'll have a drawn line on your canvas in no time. Now move your cursor to the canvas area. To draw a line, click and drag across the canvas. You'll notice a line appears following your motion, and you can control the direction and length to fit your needs. You can also use the Shift key while dragging if you want to keep your line perfectly horizontal, vertical, or at a 45-degree angle. This is an excellent little tip for achieving precision in your designs, making it easier to align elements cleanly and consistently. Once you're happy with your line, you can further manipulate its properties. With the line tool still selected, check out the options bar at the top of the screen. Here you can adjust the weight or thickness of the line, choose different styles, or change the color to suit your creative vision. Spend some time experimenting with these settings as they can dramatically alter the look and feel of your final design. And that's it. You've successfully drawn a line in Photoshop 2025. With a little practice, you'll find that this tool can become an indispensable part of your Photoshop toolkit, helping you create clean, precise, and professional-looking designs in no time. Keep exploring more about Photoshop's features, and you'll continue to improve your skills and efficiency. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial, and happy designing.